Morning YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna put on the windshield on my Husqvarna 401. So far I did a few modifications. I put up these bar end mirrors, changed out the 401 for the Husqvarna logo. I took off the passenger seat handlebars and I got another license plate holder. I got this Puig high-tech part windshield, so not the Husqvarna fly shield, and this is what comes with it and what is in the box. You've got the manual, the fly screen, some screws, and that's it. This is the view of the front of the bike without the windshield. Now we're gonna put it up and I'm gonna give you a shot how it looks like afterwards. One is to take out the bolts at the front of the bike, holding the front lamp and your display. So you can put on these windshield holders on the left like this, and on the right side like that. To mount the side plate, you get this specialized longer screw and a bearing. First you put in the bearing and then you put on the plate like that. And now this is what it should look like without the windscreen. So we took out the bolt at the base, the bolt under the display. Now we're all set up. We can place our windshield by 4 screws at the front. Form it a little bit so it fits. Like that. This is what it should look like, and we're gonna finish it off with some bolt caps. So this is how the bike looks like after installing the windscreen. Pretty clean. You can also get it in black if you like. From the side, from the back. So it's not that high, but as I'm riding a lot of highway, I think it's gonna make a big difference. Very clean. Thank you all for watching, and let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next into my videos. See you later.